Almost a century ago, an invention came along that changed the world. Television has seen many upgrades since then. Sets have gotten larger, and wider, and flatter. And there are many, many more channels available. But TV's changes have, to date, been evolutionary. And ZillionTV is revolutionary. Gone are the days of turning on your TV only to find there are only 5 minutes left of that movie you forgot to record, and that the next time it's showing is not for another week. ZillionTV is next-generation video on demand. Every channel, every program, every episode, every frame is instantly accessible all the time. You don't record programs with ZillionTV because everything is always there, ready to start and stop whenever you want. Such a revolutionary concept requires a revolutionary interface, and we've got it. Introducing the ZillionTV Hexagon, the user interface designed for the future of television. It can shrink or grow depending on how many options you have, so you never get overwhelmed. Just move the motion sensing remote in a direction, and the interface will hint at what further selection can be made from there. In the Zillion environment, the traditional concept of numerical channels is eliminated. Instead, each network, and even every show, has its own identity. Company branding is stronger than it ever was. To find a show by category, select Browse, Currently Popular, then Drama. Here you can select from a number of shows. A view of the most recent episodes comes up. Select a show by pointing to it and pressing the Action button. Fast forward through the show by flicking the remote. To fast forward a lot, flick the remote a lot. To fast forward a little, just use a small move. Rewind works the same way. Let's try rewinding all the way back to the pilot episode. Use the roller on the remote to zoom forward and backward in time. Using the next generation of advanced search engine technology, you can quickly find anything you want, and you can search in totally new ways. Each clip is tagged with metadata, so instead of just searching by a program's show or cast, you can do more advanced searches. Try finding tennis matches on grass courts, love stories in black and white, movies with fast editing, even game shows with a lot of the color red, or bowl games with surprise endings. ZillionTV's hexagon menus are dynamically created to show you what you want, when you want it. Commercial advertising still exists in the ZillionTV world, if you want it to, but it's light years ahead of today's television programming. Zillion will pay you real cash to watch ads. This is not fantasy, it's ZillionTV reality. And you can pick the ads you want to see and when you want to see them. Rate ads and see others' ratings. Bookmark ads for watching later. The more you dive into Zillion's advertising options, the greater the rewards. But as always, the choice is up to you. Interested in not just learning about a product, but actually buying it? Zillion Television even does that in a new way. While watching the Disney Channel, you may decide on the perfect family vacation. With Zillion, you can do your shopping right here in an engaging and interactive way. And ZillionTV does so much more. Say you're watching a scene from your favorite sci-fi movie and you remember that your nephew loves this scene. Just press the Zillion's patented Buy Now button on the remote to see merchandise related to what you're watching. Find the perfect gift and click the Buy Now button again. It's that simple. And if you think it's the best action scene in all the Star Wars films, go and tell the world. ZillionTV's Hexagon is a window to its new social network. Rate shows and discuss them amongst your friends. The social network is a world as powerful as ZillionTV itself. Millions of options, yet incredible ease of use. What's on ZillionTV? Everything. How do you access it? In a totally new way. The ZillionTV Hexagon interface.